Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, just playing today. I've always made them like this, but I've never rotated it, so it was just like that. And I thought, well, if you rotate it, you can't see you can see through it. So I thought about doing it with solid color. I might have gone a little bit overboard on the yellow. So what we're going to do, and see, it's just exactly the same on both of them. What we're going to do is, let's move the black out of the way for a second. Take a square, grab your shape tool and grab that node right there and hold down the control button. The control button only allows you to do one at a time. If you don't use the control button, you're going to do them all. So hold down the control button and then control D and make a duplicate, and holding down the shift key probably would be the best. Make it quite a bit smaller. But then to get it to that corner, there's two ways to do it. One of them is move it manually till it snaps. But we can go BR and put it to the bottom right of our object. Now we're going to take this one and make it red, and take this one and make it yellow. And then we're going to control, well, we're going to select them both, and we're going to go to effects and blend them 20 times. And then we could change the outline to yellow. We could change it to red. We could change it to black. Let's leave it black, see what happens. Now I don't have to ungroup the blend because I'm not going to do anything with it. So I'm going to control D and holding down the control button while I flip it over, and then grab and control D and holding down with that two-sided arrow. Now it's a must to put it in the center of the page. So I'm going to group it and hit P. And then I'm going to hit control D, make a duplicate of that, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees, and you get that. Now the black box isn't going to help it too much, but it does make it stand out. And I think the black lines actually kind of help it. And I could have blended it. Let's blend it a few more times. Let's see what happens when we go further. And let's blend it 40 times. Doubling that might be too much. And then let's change the outline to black again. Ooh, that looks pretty good. Control D to duplicate it, holding, and just keep your finger on the control button when you do this. Control D, get the two-sided arrow, hold down the control button. Group them together for more than one reason. So one, we can put them in the center of the page, and two, so when we duplicate it and rotate it 45 degrees, we get that. Looks pretty cool. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.